In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Family Invite error, ineligible to join. When Steam shows the error ineligible to join during a family sharing invite, it usually means there's a problem with account eligibility or device authorization. Steam Family Sharing requires that both accounts have Steam Guard enabled for at least 15 days and that the account being invited hasn't already exceeded the device sharing limit, maximum 10 devices. To fix this, start by making sure Steam Guard is turned on for both accounts. On the Steam client, go to Steam. Now, click on Settings. Go ahead and press on Account. Now, click on Manage Steam Guard Account Security and ensure it's active. Next, log in on the computer you want to authorize and go to Settings, Family, Authorize this computer. This adds the device to your list of approved machines. If the invited account still shows ineligible to join, check whether it has already accessed family sharing on too many devices. Steam allows a maximum of 10 shared devices per account, and once you reach this limit, new invites cannot be accepted until you deauthorize one of the existing devices. You can manage devices under Settings, then press on Family Manage Other Computers. Another reason for ineligibility is that the game itself may be restricted. Some titles, particularly those with third-party DRM or region locks, cannot be shared via family sharing. If the game falls into this category, the invite will fail regardless of account setup. Finally, if all settings are correct but the error persists, log out and restart Steam on both accounts. Sometimes Steam needs a short refresh for device authorizations and invite permissions to take effect. Following these steps usually resolves the ineligible to join issue. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.